Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money and change the language on Premise. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first of all, Premise is an app where you can earn money. So it's basically you have to complete tasks, and mostly there are surveys, and after each completed task you will get money, and after that you can cash out that money through PayPal, Coinbase or mobile top up. And you can change the language of the app by clicking on the account which is at the bottom of the screen. Then you can see the app language. For me right now it's English, but there is a list and you can select one of these languages. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.